Hello guys, good morning. How are you? I'm Lala. Today I will accompany you in this class in Mursli STP channel.
Today's material is about text procedure.
Are you ready to study, guys? Let's just start the lesson today. Today we will learn about text procedure, as it is in the English book for the 9th grade of junior high school, in chapter 4 with the theme title, This is How You Do It. What is procedure text?
The definition of the procedure text.
Procedure text is a text that gives us instructions for doing something. Usually, the title of the procedure text begins with the words, how to make, how to do, how to use something. For examples, how to make an omelette, how to operate the computer, how to use the smartphone. And many other examples. Are you still with me now? Can you follow the lesson well? I am sure you're still there watching this video, aren't I? Okay, let's continue then.
The purpose of the procedure text.
The purpose of the procedure text is to show how something is done through sequence of steps, which enable the reader to achieve the goal. Or to describe a command or instruction on how something is accomplished in the correct order or steps. Now, pay attention to the following dialogue.
Whoa, it's very hot outside, Mom. I wanna eat or drink something cool.
Well, I wanna make a novel apple pudding this afternoon. Do you want some?
I would like to, Mom. I help you to make it.
Do you know how to make it?
No, I don't, Mom. Tell me how.
Well then, come on, join me here.
Okay, Mom.
We need apples, flour, butter or margarine, sugar and water.
Okay, what's next?
We are going to put the apples into the bowl and rub it with margarine. Then sugar and water that has already mixed pour over the apples. Finally bake for 1 hour. And serves it warm with cream or ice cream. That's simple.
Wow, I can't wait to eat that soon, Mom.
You're gonna love it. Just wait until it can be served to you.
Okay, Mommy.
How to make novel apple pudding.
These are the ingredients you will need to make a novel apple pudding.
4 green apples, peeled, cored and thickly sliced. 35 grams self-raising flour, sifted. 60 gram butter or margarine, cubed. 100 gram caster sugar. And 300 milliliters water.
Here are the steps of how to make novel apple pudding.
1. Place apple in a heat-proof dish. Place flour in a bowl. Rub in margarine with a spatula. 2. Stir the sugar and water. Mixture should be lumpy. Pour over apples. 3. Baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, or until syrup and golden. Serve warm with cream or ice cream.
The pudding is ready to be served. Serves 6. Preparation time 15 minutes, cooking time 60 to 70 minutes. Well friends, how is it going? Do you understand so far? I hope you can follow the lesson well. Okay, now, let's continue the lesson.
Generic structure of procedure text.
There are 4 things in the generic structure of procedure text. First is goal, second is material, third is steps and the last is the result. Here are the explanation of the 4 things.
Goal. Provide information about the intent and purpose of the procedure and predict the conclusion. Material. Contain of materials or ingredients needed to perform a procedure or steps. Steps. List of instruction/activity sequences to achieve the destination in the correct order of steps. Result. The result of a series of measures that have been done/taken.
Okay guys, can you get the point of the lesson today? I hope this video can help you to learn more about procedure text. Before we ended up the lesson today, here are some tasks for you to do at home. 1. Write a simple procedure text on your own. 2. Find the generic structure from your procedure text. I know you can do it. Good luck.
Well class, this is the end of the lesson.
I think that's all for today, friends. I'll see you some other time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye everyone, have a good day.